Hello, my name is Alex. I'm with Loudon Architecture, and today we're going to be walking through this modern ADU design called the Craftsman Cottage. This cottage is 785 square feet, features 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom, and you can see from the outside it features some traditional Craftsman aesthetics. We've got the corbels here, we've got some shingle siding and some horizontal siding separated by some trim boards. Got some Craftsman features on the posts. And this has a fiber cement siding and a composition shingle roofing, which is Class A, and so incorporates some wildfire resistant features on the exterior siding. Coming inside here, we've got the living room area. It's a traditional layout with plenty of space for a TV, multiple different furnishing arrangements depending on your preferred style. And this is an open concept living area. Spanning over here, we've got the dining table and the large kitchen. The kitchen has a lot of natural light coming in from these windows above the sink. It's got plenty of space for a dishwasher. The sink here, a full range with a hood overhead. This could also be replaced with a microwave hood to get a little bit more storage and space for a microwave off the counter. We've got a space for a large refrigerator, and then this large reach-in pantry as well that could also double as a broom closet. Turning around, we've got this private hallway which provides entrance into the bedrooms. In this door here, there's space for a stackable laundry unit. Coming over here to the left first, there's a full bathroom with a tub shower combo that could also be replaced with just a stand-in shower. Some natural light coming in there as well. And then turning around into the first bedroom here, we've got some natural light out to the back of the site, and a closet here to the right. Plenty of space for a queen-size bed, and there's space for a queen-size bed in the second bedroom as well. This one has a larger closet with some sliding doors, and then again some large windows that provide emergency exiting, but also bring in lots of natural light to the room. And there you have it. That is the Craftsman Cottage. This design is available on our website at loudonarchitecture.com. Feel free to check it out. We've also got a few other options available. And thank you for joining us, and we'll see you in the next one.